channel where we spread love and positive vibes. Allow me to start by thanking our new subscribers and our returning subscribers. We value you, we appreciate you, and thank you so much for supporting us. Now today there is a video I was watching about athletics or athletics in Jamaica. And I want to say I was amazed. It was so emotional. You know, when you see the determination of people, when you see how much energy people can give on behalf of their country, on behalf of each other, you get amazed. Jamaican athletes are the best of the best. They are top-notch in the whole world. Their dedication and their hard work and their loyalty to their country, Jamaica, is on another level. I watched a competition between a Jamaican team in 4x100 meters, and this race was being led by Sherry-Ann Fraser and Arain Thompson. And I noted that these two girls works with a lot of coordination, with a lot of teamwork, with a lot of determination to make their country proud. And Sherry-Ann Fraser was actually the one who was finishing in the last leg. And I want to say, I was so amazed, so emotional to see Arain Thompson, after handing over the baton to Sherry-Ann Fraser, she shouted on top of her voice and told her, "Go, run." And when she was told that, Sherry-Ann Fraser literally flew. She flew. She was flying. The motivation from Arain and the teammate was enough to make her fly. I usually marvel at the type of coordination, the type of teamwork, the type of love that is amongst Jamaicans, even when they are competing and when they are making their country proud. Sherry-Ann Fraser was added a lot of power and energy and a lot of motivation from the cheering that came from Arain Thompson. These two are great runners. And the same case was found with Usain Bolt and Asafa Powell. There was a lot of teamwork, a lot of determination to make their country shine. When they're in the field, they do not compete with each other, but they make a goal to work as a team, to make Jamaica proud as a team. I literally admired these two girls. Arain and Fraser gave her all. She gave 110% on this race. Guys, before I talk too much and I preempt on what these girls were doing, I want you to watch the race and see how Jamaicans can make their country proud, and they can be hardworking, and they can be determined, and they can coordinate with each other in a teamwork to make Jamaica proud. So first of all, watch the video and then I'll come back.
Feel so different. Baby, tell me, how did you get so?
She's got the baton. It's Sherry-Ann Fraser Price. It's Jamaica all the way. Jamaica first across the...
Do you know this video itself, if you have watched it, it is actually so emotional to see these girls dedicating themselves, running themselves out just to win for Jamaica. When Sherry-Ann Fraser was cheered by the friends You could not imagine how she got the energy double. She literally learned until everybody was amazed at the speed at which she was moving. I also love the Jamaican team and the way they dress, having the color of their flag. And you could see Sherian Fresher having a band. I don't know whether it is a band she had tied on her head. And she was looking so beautiful and so smart. Meaning that these girls are not just smart and beautiful outside. They are inside and out beautiful. And their willingness to make their country shine is on the top. I loved how they were competing. And the same teamwork, the same spirit, the same determination, the same hard work is seen in the youth race of the Jamaican girls. The junior race. Actually, it is called the junior race. This race took place in Kingston, I think around 2022. And it was a very, very exciting race because these girls actually won the race, and it was a race between the Caribbean islands and Jamaica. It was actually held in Kingston, Jamaica. And we have several teams from different islands in the Caribbean. We had girls from Barbados, we have girls from Trinidad and Tobago, we had girls from Caicos, Kitts and Caicos. Is it called Kitts and Caicos? We had others from Trinidad. Have I mentioned Trinidad and Tobago? There were different teams from different countries in the Caribbean. And this junior race, the Jamaican team actually ran with a lot of coordination, with a lot of teamwork, with a lot of cheering each other in their own soil. And they could not allow anything to deter them from winning this race on their own soil. And as always, they emerged the winner. And they made Jamaica so proud. You could see the face of these girls. Actually, before even I got to these girls, when Sherry Ann Fraser was running, you could see on her face the focus, the determination, the seriousness, and the willingness to win the race. It was all overwritten on her face. Her face could show a lot of determination. And the same case applies to these girls. Actually, I got the names of 3 of them. There was Tia, there was Tina Creighton, there was Sherina, and the 4th girl whom I did not get to know the name. And these girls were literally fried, just like Sherian in the other video. Before I talk too much, let us watch the race of this junior youth, and then I'll come back.
Here to keep things simple, but Coach Corey Bennett has gone for the fastest team he can find in the land.
Barbados winning gold already tonight in the 3000 for under 17 boys. No Karika Hill at the Carifta Games.
The team allotment 80 athletes. The Jamaican team 78, so 2 additional spaces might have been used to put Karika Hill on the squad somewhere.
So Caitlin Bob on the opening leg for Bermuda. Serena Cole will start for the Jamaicans like she did at the World Under-20 Championships in Nairobi last year. The Jamaicans are confident. The British Virgin Islands, they will go in lane number 5. Trinidad and Tobago in lane 4. They have the outstanding Shaniqua Bascom in their lineup. Barbados, lane number 3, looking to produce a spectacular performance here as well. The Turks and Caicos Islands in lane number 2. And on the inside in lane number 1, Guadeloupe. Are we about to witness something special in Kingston? 2002 Hubert Lawrence. The World Under-20 Championships was held in Kingston. The Jamaica team, Karen Stewart, Sharon Simpson, Anisha McLaughlin, Simone Facey, 43-40 on that night. That stood as the Jamaican junior record until last year. Are these girls about to deliver something even more spectacular on home soil? Jamaica in lane 5.
Set.
Up they go. Serena Cole places out on the blocks for the Jamaicans. Already closes down on Bermuda. The Jamaicans are flying with Tina Clayton, the 100 champion. The world under-20 champion destroys the field on the back stretch. She will hand over to Brianna Liston. Liston running a super curve for the Jamaicans. The rest of the field out of shot. Can they execute the final change? Tia Clayton has the baton and she is surging down the home stretch. The world record is under threat. Tia Clayton is flying and Jamaica will break the world record. 42.59. Tina Clayton with the anchor leg performance. We expected it, but they have delivered in the most spectacular fashion.
Stunning. Expected this world record in the juniors later this season. This team running together for the first time. Liston slotted in the third leg where Kirikil ran in the world champs last year. The baton passing, the second change, the last change, beautiful. The first change, chancy, but safe. 42.59 world under-20 record by Jamaica in Kingston at the Curve of the Games. Stunning. There's Liston, her third leg, peerless, matchless, and brilliant.
Kingston stands to applaud the performance of Character 49. Confirmation 42.58, a world under-20 record. Serena Cole to Tina Clayton to Brianna Liston to Tia Clayton. Here's another look at a piece of history in Kingston, Jamaica.
Cole tore off on the first leg, was beside Tina when she made the baton pass. Great change to Liston. Another great one flying to Tia on the anchor leg. She put her foot to the floor and motored like her life depended on it. Looks across and sees 42.59 world junior record. Jamaica, Kingston, awesome.
The previous record held by the Jamaicans at 42.94. That was done at the World Under-20 Championships in Nairobi, Kenya.
What's up, viewers? Welcome back to Sprint Nation Jamaica. I'm not gonna lie, this was one of the greatest 4x100 meters under 20 girl I've ever seen run. And these 4 female athletes, they're so extremely fast and incredible. Tia Clayton, Tina Clayton, Serena Cole, Brianna Liston, they are great athletes coming up in the track and field world, and I believe they have so much more to offer. They're like the younger generations of female athletes coming up. As I said, great 4x100 meter relay. Every time I watch this race, I just literally get goosebumps. Y'all know right now, guys, Sprint Nation Jamaica is giving you the latest updates in track and field. However, the track and field season has just kick-started today. We have seen Kishane Thompson run his 6th.
Guys, I hope you have seen the type of athletics that Jamaica has. Jamaicans are untouchable when it comes to record hitting. They actually ran like they'll never run again. Jamaicans are superpower giants when it comes to athletics. They scare even the mighty and the powerful when it comes to athletics. We could see these girls, the kind of determination they had, the kind of willingness they had, the kind of speed they put into this race was very, very amazing. It was something all of us, we could watch and watch and watch again and again. Because the race itself was emotional. To see these girls and the kind of energy, the kind of hard work, the kind of determination they are putting into this race. The reason why we have Jamaicans winning is because they invest their work, they invest in hard work, they invest in not losing hope, they invest in all what they do. And you could see that these girls had really trained for this race. Because you cannot win such a race having come from the house and learn. It was a lot of hard work that was put by these youth girls and also Sherian Fresher and Erin Thompson. You could see the kind of determination these people are. And we see the same determination and the same hard work and the same and doing this thing with Usain Bolt and Asafa Powell and Kisain Thompson. Jamaicans are people who can put their all to win in every competition they go. And this is very, very clear because you can see the super energy put by these athletes as they compete to make Jamaica proud. It was a lot of emotions going across my mind when I saw these African girls running that much. And I can only tell them, big up to our African sisters in Jamaica. They make us proud. They teach us the tingle. They tell us how to do things in the right way. And they have shown us by action. Because we are told action speaks louder than words. They have shown us with determination and a lot of hard work and a lot of mindset. You can win in whichever area you want to get involved with. And therefore, I want to appreciate them tonight in this video. And I leave you at this, telling you bye-bye for now. See you during the next video, and God bless.